Does your mind feel overgrown, crowded with thoughts of worry, like weeds twisting and tightening around your peace? Does it feel noisy, chaotic? You are not alone in this feeling. The human mind is a powerful, fertile ground, and sometimes the worries of life can feel like they are taking over. In this practice, we are not going to fight these thoughts. We're not going to try and force them out. We are going to garden. We are going to gently tend to the garden of our mind, to see what is there, to nourish what we want to grow, and to gently clear the space we need. So, let's begin. Find a position that feels comfortable and supportive for your body. Sitting in a chair with your feet flat on the floor, or lying down in a space where you feel safe and undisturbed. Allow your hands to rest gently in your lap or by your side. And when you feel ready, I invite you to gently close your eyes. Let's start by arriving right here, in this moment. Bring your awareness to the breath, just noticing your inhale and noticing your exhale. We are not trying to change the breath, just feeling the natural rhythm of your body, breathing all by itself. Perhaps you can feel the cool air as it enters your nostrils, the gentle expansion of your chest and belly as the lungs fill. And then that short pause as the breath changes direction and the body softens as you exhale, sinking just a little deeper into the surface beneath you. Now, to help the body's natural relaxation response kick in, we're going to gently adjust this rhythm. We will make our exhalation just a little longer than our inhalation. It's a simple signal to the nervous system that you are safe. So, when you're ready, let's breathe in for a count of 4 and breathe out for a count of 6. Let's try it together. Breathe in, 2, 3, 4. Breathe out, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Breathe in, 2, 3, 4. Breathe out, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Breathe in, 2, 3, 4. Breathe out, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Please continue this rhythm on your own for a few more moments. If the count feels distracting, just let it go and simply focus on the feeling of a long, slow, complete exhale. Already, you might notice the body beginning to settle, the shoulders relaxing, the jaw softening, the forehead smoothing out. You are doing this perfectly. Now I invite you to imagine a place. In your mind's eye, see a small, gentle path appearing before you. It could be a soft, grassy trail, a path of smooth stones, or perhaps just an opening in a warm, glowing light. This is the path to your own private, inner garden. Walk along this path, feeling the ground beneath your feet. The air here is peaceful, fresh, and still. At the end of the path, you see a gate. It might be a simple wooden gate or an ornate iron one. Whatever it looks like, it is yours. This gate protects your inner space. As you approach, you realize you have the key. It's in your hand. You place the key in the lock, turn it, and the gate swings open with a gentle, welcoming sound. You step inside and stand at the entrance to the garden of your mind. I want you to first just look. What do you see? Be honest with yourself and know that there is no judgment here. Whatever your garden looks like today, it is okay. Perhaps it is overgrown. Perhaps you see large, thorny vines of anxious thoughts, the kind that circle back on themselves again and again. Perhaps you see patches of dry, cracked earth, representing fatigue or burnout. Perhaps you see small, persistent weeds of self-doubt, or the heavy-shadowed bushes of old sadness. Just observe. See the garden for what it is. This is simply the human experience. This is a garden that has been living. Now, let's begin to tend to it. Find one of these weeds, perhaps a prominent one, a worry that has been on your mind today. I invite you to bring your awareness to it. Don't pull it, don't fight it, just see it. As you look at this weed of worry, acknowledge it. Often, these worries are just a misguided attempt by our mind to protect us, to keep us safe. So in your mind, you can even say to it, "Thank you. I see you. Thank you for trying to protect me. But right now, I am safe, and I need space to rest." And as you say this, place your imaginary hands at the base of this weed. As you take a long, slow exhale, imagine gently and easily lifting it up, roots and all, from the soil. There is no struggle. It is ready to be released. Watch as it dissolves in your hands, turning into specks of light and simply vanishing. In its place, there is now a patch of dark, rich, fertile soil. Let's try that again. Find another weed, a smaller one perhaps, a frustration, a judgment. Bring your gentle awareness to it. Thank it for its message. And on your next exhale, gently lift it from the earth, effortlessly. Watch it dissolve and float away, leaving behind more dark, clear, potential-filled earth. Spend the next minute or so continuing this process at your own pace, gently observing, acknowledging, and exhaling to release. Uprooting the stress, the anxiety, the noise, and creating space. notice how your garden is starting to look. Notice the space you have created, the quiet, the openness. The soil is now ready. In your mind's eye, imagine you are now holding a small pouch, and inside this pouch are seeds. These are the seeds of what you do want to cultivate. Reach in and take out a seed. This is the seed of calm. Feel its smooth, peaceful energy in your hand. Find a patch of clear soil and gently press this seed into the earth. Reach into the pouch again. This time, you pull out the seed of clarity. Plant this seed in another spot, knowing it will grow into clear, focused intention, free from the fog of worry. Reach in one more time. This seed is patience, or perhaps it's self-love, or joy. You choose. Plant this seed with care. Now, your new seeds are in the ground. They need to be watered. Your breath is the water. Take a deep, nourishing breath in, and as you exhale, imagine that breath is a gentle silver rain falling over your entire garden, watering the new seeds and cleansing the entire space. Do this again, a deep breath in and a long, slow exhale, watering your garden. Take a moment now to just be. Be in your new garden. Feel the peace here, the potential, the sense of care. This is your space. You have tended to it. You have reclaimed it. It is beautiful. This garden is not a static place. It will always change. Weeds will grow again. And that is okay. That is life. But now you know how to tend to it. This garden is always here, inside you. You have cared for it, and now it will care for you. And now it is time to gently come back, knowing you can return to this garden whenever you need. Begin to bring your awareness back to the physical sensations of your body. Feel the chair or the floor beneath you. Notice the air on your skin. Bring your awareness to any sounds. Sounds inside the room and sounds outside the room. Gently, you can begin to wiggle your fingers and your toes. Take one final deep breath in, filling your body with the peace of your garden. And as you exhale, let it go. And only when you feel completely ready, you can gently open your eyes and come back to the room. Carry this calm with you. And remember, you can return to your garden anytime you need. Have a peaceful rest of your day.